Good morning and welcome back to Live Edge Lifestyle. Today we're going to make a martini glass by turning this into this. I started off with a 3-inch square block of red cedar, about 6 inches long. I'm going to true up the end here and drill the hole. We'll fine tune that later. Now we've got our hole drilled. And we're just going to double check and make sure it fits in there properly. Yeah, no problem. We're going to measure, I think we'll go 4 inches on this one, and that will be the length of our stem. Okay, let's check that diameter again. Remember, we want 3/8, no less. Yeah, there we are. That's it. And I think I got a bit of concave there, so I should be okay. So I'm happy with that. Now we're going to have to use the parting tool and part that off. There we go. Okay, so now what I want to do in order to put it here, we have to cut a little nib down here so we can hold it and do our final touches. Okay, so I got this sanded down now. I went to, I think it was, I had to go 180 all the way up to 2000. And it's a nice finish. Now the question is, do I put stain on this and then put my acrylic resin finish? Or do I just, put the acrylic resin finish on? I got to think about that. Yeah, that's looking just the way I like it. Right, just like that. It's perfect. And we'll put this here. And I'll move that around a bit. But hey, I'm not going to bore you with this little increments of doing things. So I'll come back just when I finish the last coat on this. So there we have it, perfect fit. Okay, so that's it. 1 martini glass down and 7 more to go. The only thing left to do with this is put a martini in it. I don't know about you, but I like mine shaken, not stirred. Next on the list is going to be cutting boards that I make with arbutus, some arbutus slabs that I've got, and be running those through the planer first, and then cutting them down to size, and then polishing them up and attaching some hardware so you can actually slice the cheese with a wire slicer. So I'm looking forward to doing those. Also, check out our website, liveedgelifestyle.com, and you can see a whole vast line of products that we make, all handcrafted, all wood crafted, mostly from burls. So also in the next video, there will be there's going to be an announcement for a very special event that we're going to be attending. It's a Christmas craft fair. So some of our team might be there, and some won't, but we hope to meet you there and have a chat. And if there's anything we can make for you that we don't have, well, we'll certainly give it a shot. We'll talk about it. And you can also contact me personally through the website and on the contact page. And I check my mail every day. So if you got something to ask or something to say, don't hesitate. Okay, thank you. Bye.